This is an exciting time in medicine. Healthcare is undergoing probably the biggest transformation of our time. The needs of the population are changing. And now we have new technologies to meet the needs of the people. At Ochsner Health System, we're using iOS devices, Epic apps, and Apple Watch, which provide an enormous improvement in our efficiency in terms of how we manage patients in the inpatient setting.
Ochsner is the largest not-for-profit academic medical center in the Gulf South. We're very innovative. We are constantly looking for new ways to take care of patients.
The inpatient experience, it's a very mobile experience for physicians. You're traveling constantly from floor to floor, one patient on the second floor, one on the 8th floor, one on the 7th floor. Time is of the essence in the hospital. You want to be updated about what your patient's most current results are before you walk in. Before, we were tied to one of those big workstations on wheels, which are pretty bulky and inconvenient. Now with Haiku on my iPhone, on my way to work, I can see what new patients might have come in during the night, what my patient list looks like, where they are, and what their conditions are. Then when I'm at the hospital, I'll use the Epic Canto app on my iPad to review the record in detail, go through any test results, laboratory, vital signs, trending reports, and so on and so forth. To get information at my fingertips immediately can be a big difference between being able to intervene in time or being delayed.
It's incredible the amount of information that's available to physicians today. And we're seeing now healthcare embracing innovative technologies such as the iPhone or iPad.
It's a tough experience being a patient in the hospital. There's a lot of coming and going. Our patients are given an iPad on admission to the hospital. And with the MyChart bedside application, they can review their own test results and lab reports and their medications. They can view who their care team is, what their schedule is going to be for the day. It's the way for the patient to be fully engaged in the care process and know exactly who the people are that are involved in their care.
This is about transparency, and it fundamentally changes how people are engaged in their healthcare experience.
One of the most important things for a physician is timely notification. With Apple Watch, I might get notified about a good test result, and I'm able to discharge that patient sooner. It opens up a bed for other patients that might need to come in. Good news on Mr. Jones, you can go home.
Great.
The old way of finding out might be the next time I happen to log into the computer and open up that record, which may be hours from now. Today, I'm getting a tap on my watch with a notification, and I can react to it in a much more timely fashion. Creating efficiency in terms of our workflow is important, and the iOS devices and Apple Watch help us create a great deal of efficiency. And at the end of the day, that means we can provide better care.
Our mission is to serve, heal, lead, educate, and innovate. At Ochsner, we're doing everything we can to improve patient care. Innovations like the Apple Watch, the iPhone, iPad are helping us to engage with our patients and help people live better, more fulfilling lives.